Kilauea, U.S. KIL-ə-WAY-ə, Hawaiian, kiːlྡwɛjɛ, is an active shield volcano in the Hawaiian Islands, located along the southeastern shore of the Big Island of Hawaiʻi. The volcano is between 210,000 and 280,000 years old and emerged above sea level about 100,000 years ago. Historically, it is the most active of the 5 volcanoes that together form Hawaii Island. Kilauea is also one of the most active volcanoes on Earth, and the most recent eruption began on June 7, 2023 in the early morning hours after a series of earthquakes. Prior to this, Kilauea had erupted on September 29, 2021, when several vents began to erupt lava within Halemaʻumaʻu, a pit crater in the volcano's summit caldera, and ended March 7, 2023. Kilauea is the second youngest product of the Hawaiian hotspot and the current eruptive center of the Hawaiian Emperor seamount chain. Because it lacks topographic prominence and its activities historically coincided with those of Mauna Loa, Kilauea was once thought to be a satellite of its much larger neighbor. Structurally, Kilauea has a large, fairly recently formed caldera at its summit and 2 active rift zones. One extending 125 kilometers, 78 miles, east and the other 35 kilometers, 22 miles, west, as an active fault of unknown depth moving vertically an average of 2 to 20 millimeters, 0.1 to 0.8 in per year. Between 2008 and 2018, the pit crater Halemaʻumaʻu hosted an active lava lake. Kilauea also erupted nearly continuously from vents on its eastern rift zone between January 1983 and April 2018, causing considerable property damage, including the destruction of the towns of Kalapana and Kaimu along with the community's renowned black sand beach. In 1990, beginning in May 2018, activity shifted further downrift from the summit to the lower Puna district, during which lava erupted from 24 vents with vigorous eruptive fountains that sent destructive rivers of molten rock into the ocean in 3 places. The eruption destroyed Hawaii's largest natural freshwater lake, covered substantial portions of Lalani Estates and Lanapuna Gardens, and completely inundated the communities of Kapoho, Vacationland Hawaii, and most of the Kapoho beach lots. Lava also filled Kapoho Bay and extended new land nearly a mile into the sea. The county of Hawaii reported that 716 dwellings were destroyed by lava. Concurrent with the activity downrift in Lower Puna, the lava lake within Halemaʻumaʻu drained and a series of explosive collapse events occurred at the volcano's summit, with at least one explosion emitting ash 30,000 feet, 9,100 meters, into the air. This activity prompted a months-long closure of the Kilauea section of Hawaii Volcanoes National Park. The eruption ended in September 2018. 2 years later, Kilauea erupted between December 2020 and May 2021 again within Halemaʻumaʻu crater, boiling off a water lake that had been growing for more than a year, and replacing it with a lava lake 229 meters, 751 feet, deep.